Hello friends, welcome once again to a seminar of Goodwill Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to present to you simple equations. What then is a simple equation? A simple equation is just a mathematical expression that expresses the relationship between two expressions with the sign of equality. Then in this simple equation, we can also say that simple equation is also an algebraic sentence that makes use of the equality sign. And this simple equations, we make use of our variable, which is usually our x, our y, our z, our p, and so on. And in this simple equation, our task is just to find the variable, the value of the variable that will satisfy the equation. And the value of the variable that can satisfy the equation can easily be gotten by the use of our basic arithmetic operations. Our arithmetic operations in the sense addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, squares and square root, and many more. So on this point, I'm going to do a little example on that. If you observe this equation well, we are told to solve for x in 2x minus 9 equal to 15. At this point, we are looking for the value of this our variable, which is x, that will satisfy this equation. So to solve this, we usually solve for the value of x. To solve for the value of x, we make use of our basic arithmetic operation. So if you observe this, I have 2x minus 9 equal to 15. So to solve this now, you can see that I have to add 9 to both sides so that I can be able to have a balanced equation. So if I have, at this point, I can say add 9 to both sides. If I add 9 to both sides, I'm having 2x minus 9, which is the initial one at this point, then plus 9 equal to 15 plus 9. So at this point, you can see I have 2x minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So there is no need of writing 0 here. You can see I have this equality sign comes down. I have 15 plus 9 is 24. 15 plus 9 is 24. So you can see that 2x is equal to 24. So at this point, I can easily divide through by what? 2. So that I can actually know the value of x that will satisfy this my equation. So if I say divide through by 2, you can see I have to divide this by 2, divide this by 2. So if I divide the left hand side and the right hand side by 2, I have that if 2 divides itself is 1, if 2 divides 2 is also 1. Then 2 divided 2 is 1, 2 divided 24 is 12. So you can see that my x is equal to 12. So you can see that the value of x that will satisfy this equation is 12. So whenever you insert the value of x to be 12, the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. Okay, let's do a little check. So the equation says 2x minus 9 equal to 15. Then we have gotten the value of our x to be 12. So I have 2 into 12 minus 9 equal to 15. So if you observe 2 times 12 is 24 minus 9 equal to 15. And you know that 24 minus 9 is 15. So you can see that 15 is equal to 15. So the value of x that will satisfy this simple equation is 12. So let's move down to the second equation. If you look up, I have 3x plus 5 is equal to 17. So actually, I'm required to find the value of x that will satisfy this simple equation. So let's solve. If you look out here, we have plus 5. So I have to subtract 5 from both sides so that I can be able to collect the like terms. So I have 3x plus 5, which is the initial one here. Then minus 5 is equal to 17 minus 5. So I have subtracted 5 from both sides. And you know 5 minus 5 is 0. So I have 3x is equal to 17 minus 5 is 12. I have 3x is equal to 12. So for me to actually know the value of x in this equation, I have to divide through by the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x is 3. So I have to divide by 3, divide by 3. So 3 and 3 can cancel out. 3 divide itself is 1. 3 divide 12 is 4. So at the last run, I have my x to be equal to 4. So if you look up now, you can see that the value of x that will satisfy this equation, making the left-hand side to be equal to the right-hand side, is equal to 4. So thank you very much for viewing. Please do well and follow me on social media platform, on Facebook, Esomnof Goodwill Online Maths, on YouTube, Esomnof Goodwill Online Maths, same as Instagram, so that you can be notified once another video is out. Thank you for